Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So in this video I am telling you about a problem that many users are facing in the Doli emulator. So if you are facing the lag in the Doli emulator, how you can fix the Doli emulator lag problem? Because I have faced similar problem. Today I will tell you the solution of this problem, how you can fix this problem. So hope you like this video and subscribe our channel for more and more informative and knowledgeable content. And today I will tell you the advantage and disadvantage how you can fix this problem. So first of all, if you are using any type of antivirus, you need to turn off all the antivirus, because if your antivirus code are outdated and it creates some trouble for your device. So then you need to adjust the graphic card accordingly your device. If your device is low and having not much RAM, you need to adjust the graphic card to medium, ultra to medium. If you are using the ultra mode, then this problem arises. So make sure you are change it to medium. And after that, what you need to do, you need to disable the emulator's boot animation. If you have enabled any types of boot animation of your emulator, you need to disable that. And the emulator must have a graphic card in order to use Doli emulator. So hope you got valuable information regarding this matter. And if you want to share your opinion, you can simply tell us in the comment section of the video. Thank you guys, and keep supporting our channel for future content.